Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Curt GM Puck System Gooseneck Hitch Ball Kit, a fantastic solution for your heavy-duty towing needs. This kit is designed to make your towing experience smooth and secure, and it's compatible with a wide range of trucks, including Ford, Chevy, GMC, and Nissan Titan XD models from 2013 through 2024. So, what makes this kit stand out? For starters, it boasts an impressive 30,000 pounds gross trailer weight capacity and a 7,500 pounds vertical load capacity. That's more than enough strength to handle even your heaviest loads. It features a durable, chrome-plated 2-5/16 gooseneck ball, forged and machined for the best possible performance. The retention balls make sure that the shank is securely locked into place, so you don't have to worry about your hitch ball coming loose during your travels. The installation process is also incredibly easy. You don't need any tools, which means no extra time or hassle. Simply drop the ball into the puck system, and you're ready to go. This kit also comes with 2 safety chain anchors, each made of cast steel and finished with a carbide black powder coating. They are built to accept large safety chain hooks, ensuring that your setup is as safe as possible. Another feature that adds value is the rubber hole cover. It keeps your gooseneck ball hole protected from corrosion and debris, helping to maintain its longevity and performance. This product really is all about convenience and durability, making it a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient towing system. What's more, it's specifically designed for compatibility with the puck systems in select Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, and Nissan Titan XD trucks. Be sure to check your vehicle's manual for compatibility before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Overall, the Curt GM Puck System Gooseneck Hitch Ball Kit is a top-tier product, ideal for those who need serious towing capacity without the extra hassle. Whether you're hauling heavy trailers or other loads, this hitch ball kit provides the peace of mind and performance you need. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.